Hey gang, how's it going? This is Keith Borum from KeithBorum.com. Today I wanted to do a quick review on a company called myEcon, short for My Economy. This is a great company. I just recently joined it. The company offers you financial knowledge, educational knowledge, and tools that you can use to help you better your financial situation. And at the same time, the company has business opportunity with a compensation plan that is it's just awesome. Let me tell you that it's an awesome plan. So we can look at what the company has to offer. Alright, I'm here on my home screen. As you can see, home. I'm clicking on the links, the About Us tab. The About Us tab tells you about the company and who their corporate executive team is. These are basically entrepreneurs, but with extensive resumes in marketing. We have their products. All right, and one of the products that I wanted to talk to you about, which actually pays for itself, is called My Credit System. All right. Now, My Credit System is great for those people that have credit scores 600 and below. I mean, even if you have higher than that, it's still good. But what I mean is, with this, it gives you the tools and material and education that you need in order to help you lift up your credit score on your own. So, I mean, a couple things that it does. It can stop you from bankrupting yourself. You know, with bankruptcy, the bankruptcy is on your account for 10 years. And now, the way how our economy is, even though it's good, banks are still stricter, so you'd have a harder time of, you know, getting credit and getting things that you may want, okay? If you go to some of these credit companies out there where they say they can help you, well, they milk you with this big giant payment up front, and they actually do the same things that this program here gives you all the knowledge and the tools to do. So it equips you with both so that you actually can take action. Now that pays for it, you know, in itself. There are people that you know, had credit scores 600 and now they're at 750 or 720, 716, you know, and so forth. All right. Besides this product, let me go back. Just see if I have a back button. No, let me use this back button. All right. There's an ID Defender program. This is a great program. This program is just like LifeLock, all right? It's an identity theft program. So as you can see here, it offers advanced identity monitoring alerts, $1 million of identity theft insurance, 24/7 lost wallet assistance, computer protection software, complete identity restoration services, key logging, identity theft defense system software, free and discounted legal services, only for $8.99. Now let me tell you something. For $8.99, what this plan offers here is actually more, actually costs less than LifeLock, because I was a member of LifeLock. I believe I paid the $8.99, and some of the things on here I did not have with LifeLock. I'm not saying LifeLock is bad, but I'm saying you get more bang for your buck looking at this program. All right. Now, besides that, let me see. You have accredited credit monitoring services. You can do roadside assistance. There's a cashback mall. So, you know, we buy things every day. We don't think about it. We shop online. We buy from Walmart. Let me just allow this flash. Just give it time. So like I was saying, you know, we buy from Macy's, Best Buy, PetSmart, Walmart. Look at that, Tiger Direct, you name it. Well, now through this program, if you buy through this program with those companies, you get cash back. It's just awesome. All right. Now this company also has other products like a debt elimination product, a product that helps you, since you're running a business, organize your revenue and expenses. Excuse me. And there's a lot more things to this. All right. So like I said, this was a quick review. Hopefully it spurs some interest in you, and that you go ahead and take the time, click the thumbs up on this, and like this video. I really appreciate it. And at the same time, go ahead, click on the link, check out what it has to offer, come back and comment. What do you think about it? What do you think the value is of this company? All right, until next time, you have a wonderful day. Aloha. Take care. Bye.